this afternoon, end of story. For some of you, I know it will not. Look at the satellite picture. A great swathe of cloud out towards the north and west, much brighter further south and east, something in between. More on that in just a second. But for much of the southeast, the Midlands, East Anglia, a warm afternoon, plenty of sunshine, unbroken sunshine almost. Story changes as we get up into the north of England. Enough cloud here for bits and pieces of rain this morning, same sort of thing this afternoon. And once we pull away towards the north and west of Scotland, it turns much wetter and much windier, and a similar sort of prospect for Northern Ireland too. The heaviest of the rain at the moment just out towards the west. As we come back across the Irish Sea, that speckled cloud, remember it? Well, that's the showers coming in across Wales, and it was a pretty wet old morning in parts of Cornwall as well. Quite breezy here for a time too. Some of those showers might just stagger across the Tamar, get into West Devon. Now, the prospect for the afternoon, as I say, not a great deal of change. Some of those showers running up on that southwesterly breeze, getting into Wales, up into the north of England. Some of the rain overnight, as I run that clock, just beginning to pull away from Northern Ireland, coming away from Scotland. But it's not the last that you'll see of it by any means at all, because as I get on into tomorrow, particularly tomorrow afternoon, if you just imagine that front as a bit of rope, and I just give it a bit of a flick down here, see how that progresses back up as that little wriggle comes along, and we'll see more rain up into that northwestern quarter. Mild in the south, much cooler in the north and west. That rain is all tied in with an area of low pressure developing all the while, and the fronts as well. The one in the north keeping that rain across Scotland, Northern Ireland. The one in the south, see how it makes a little bit of progress coming over towards the east. So during the course of Wednesday, the eastern side of England may well start off dry yet again, but see how that portion makes a good deal of progress, clearing the rain from the south and west, but all the while we keep the rain, I'm afraid, Anna, across many parts of Scotland and